Welcome students. In 10th Maths first, we had started topic number 2, quadratic equations. In this, we had seen various types of points. That is, quadratic equation is not or yes or not. It is quadratic equation or not. Its degree is 2 and variable is 1, which is this quadratic equation. We had seen discriminant, nature of the root, solving quadratic equation by 3 methods: factorization method, complete square method, and formula method. Also, we had seen formation of quadratic equation if given roots are given, and we form the quadratic equation. And last one we had seen is relation between coefficients of quadratic equation and roots of quadratic equation. Students, now today we will start application of quadratic equation. We will see today we will see application of quadratic equation. What is meant by application of quadratic equation? See, application of quadratic equation means where we use quadratic equation. In our day-to-day life, we use this quadratic equation. How quadratic equations are problem arise in our day-to-day life. That is, we have to convert that problem in quadratic equation. We have given what problem? We have to convert this word problem into quadratic equation. Okay, so there are 3 steps. First step is convert the problem into symbolic language. We have to convert the problem into symbolic language, and then we use the equation by identifying the relation existing in the problem. Then second step is solve the quadratic equation formula, and then lastly third step, interpret the solution of the given equation with verbal language. So given word problem, we have to convert this word problem in symbolical form. Then second step, we solve this problem, and then lastly we convert it into again verbal form. That is the values of x and y. Okay, so we start with exercise 2.6. Let's start. We see examples in exercise 2.6. We will see some examples in 2.6. The remaining example you solve. See second example in exercise 2.6. The sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural number is 244. Find the numbers. We have to find the numbers. So students, here what is given? The sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural number. Two consecutive even natural number means even natural number म्हणजे सम नैसर्गिक संख्या. कॉन्सिक्युटिव्ह म्हणजे क्रमाने येणारे इवन नॅचरल नंबर्स. मग इवन नॅचरल नंबर कोणते आहेत? 2, 4, 6, 8. These are the even natural numbers. Okay. So, what is the difference between two consecutive terms here? These are the consecutive terms. This is consecutive. This is consecutive. Here, difference between two consecutive terms is 2. Here also 2. Here also 2. Means here difference is of 2. So we assume first natural number as x, suppose. Then other natural number is x plus 2. So we assume let the two consecutive natural numbers be natural numbers are, let the two consecutive natural numbers are Suppose that x and x plus 2. Okay. So according to given condition, what is condition given? According to given condition, which condition we had given? I had told you we had convert this problem into symbolical form. So sum of the squares of two consecutive even natural number is 244. हे दोन नॅचरल नंबरचे काय दिलेले आहे? सम ऑफ स्क्वेअर्स. सम ऑफ स्क्वेअर्स इज गिवन 244. So its square is x square and its square is x plus 2 bracket square and its sum. See, observe, sum of squares of natural number is, what is 244 is given. Okay, understand how write this condition? This is important. First step, we have to convert this problem into symbolical form. Now this simplify, you get the value of x. Therefore square plus, this is a plus b bracket square expansion. You know a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here x square plus 2x into 2, 4x plus 2 square 4 is equal to 244. X square plus x square becomes 2x square plus 4x plus 4. Take here minus 244 is equal to 0. That is 2x square plus 4x plus minus, collect these two like terms, plus minus minus 244 minus 4, 240 minus is equal to 0. Here observe, here 2 is common, so dividing both sides by 2, what becomes after dividing? We get, see, observe, x square plus 4x divided by 2, 2x minus 120 is equal to 0. Okay, first convert the problem in symbolical form, then simplify. Now it becomes quadratic equation. You may factorize this any of the three methods. We had learned three methods. I here solve by factorization method. 120 into 1, 120 minus sign is there. We have to make factor of 120 such that its subtraction becomes 2. What are the factors of 120? 20, 12 into 10, 6 into 20, okay, 60 into 2, 30 into 4, 15 into 8. These are the various factors of 120. But we want subtraction 2. Whose subtraction is 2 here? This is. So we take factor 12 into 10. Here minus sign, give opposite sign to factor, middle sign plus due to greater sign and then minus. So simplify this, x square minus 120 as it is equal to 0 plus 2x will write as 12x minus 10x. Now collect. Here common term is x, remains x plus 12. Here common is minus 10, remains x plus 12 is equal to 0. Minus is common here. So what remains here? Common is x plus 12, common x plus 12. X minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore either x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. So what is the value of x? X is equal to minus 12 or x is equal to 10. We get the value of x as minus 12 and 10. But what is x? We had supposed that x are natural numbers. So minus 12 is natural number? No. 10 is natural number. So we take the value of x as 10, not this. but x is natural number. X is natural number. Therefore, x is not equal to minus 12. Therefore, we take x is equal to 10. We take value of x as 10. Okay. Why we take minus 12? Because x is even natural number. So minus is not their natural number. So we can't take x is equal to minus 2. We take x is equal to 10. Therefore, find the numbers. Therefore, required numbers are what are the required numbers? First number is x is equal to 10 and second number is x plus 2, that is 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. These are the required numbers. The required even natural numbers are 10 and 12. Now we see question number 4. Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of reciprocals of their ages is 1/6. Find their present ages. What is given? Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. So we suppose that let present age of Kishore is equal to x years. Therefore, what is the present age of Vivek? Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. So suppose Kishore is today 5 years, older means greater, 5 plus 5. So here Kishore is x, elder by 5. Therefore we get x plus 5 years. Okay, understand? And what is condition given? The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1/6. According to given condition, what is the condition given? Read carefully condition. What is the condition given? The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1/6. Reciprocal. Today's Kishore is x. Its reciprocal of x is 1/x. And reciprocal of x plus 5 is 1/x plus 5. The sum of the reciprocals. It is sum given. What is the sum given? 1/x and 1/x plus 5 is given. 1/6. 1/x plus 1/x plus 5 is equal to given 1/6. Now we simplify this. Take LCM here. X into x plus 5 is equal to 1/6. Cross multiply. X plus 5 into 1. X plus 5 plus x into 1. X. Therefore we get x plus x. 2x plus 5 upon multiply here. X square plus 5x is equal to 1/6. Now cross multiply. 6 into bracket 2x plus 5 is equal to 1 into bracket x square plus 5x. Simplify this. 6 2s are 12x plus 6 5s are 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. Now take all terms on the RHS. Take x square as it is. Take on RHS. That is x square plus 5x as it is. Take 12x here minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. I have taken this on RHS. That is easy. X square. Correct like terms. Plus 5x minus 12x becomes minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now this is quadratic equation. You can factorize this using factorization method. Minus 30, factors of 30 with that subtraction is 7. What are the factors? That subtraction becomes 30. 10 these are 30. Opposite side minus plus. Therefore, Here common is 3, x minus 10 is equal to 0. Common again x minus 10 is common, remaining x plus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore value of x is 10 or value of x is minus 2. Okay, so what is x? Age of Kishore. If age is negative, if age is negative, no, age is always positive. Since x is age, so we can take x not equal to minus 3. Therefore, take x is equal to 10. Age is always positive, so we take x is equal to 10. Therefore, we had question given, find their present age. Therefore, present age of Kishore is equal to, what is the present age of Kishore? X is equal to 10 years. And present age of Vivek is equal to, what is present age of Vivek? X plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 5 is equal to 50 years. So present age of Kishore is 10 years and present age of Vivek is 50 years. Last one to the right answer. See question 7. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. The speed of boat in steam water is 12 km per hour. Find the speed of water current. We had to find the speed of water current. So we suppose that let speed of water current, speed of water current is equal to x kilometer per hour. We know unit of speed is kilometer per hour. We had given speed of water boat in still water is 12 kilometer per hour. So what is the speed of boat? Speed of boat, we have to find the speed of boat. Okay, downstream and upstream. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. Means we know the speed of boat in upstream and downstream. Okay, upstream जाताना आणि येताना जाताना काय होणार आहे बघा, त्याचा वेग त्या पाण्याच्या वेगाबरोबर असणार आहे आणि येताना अपोजिटली असणार आहे. मग स्पीड ऑर्डरमध्ये त्याचा वेग किती दिलेला आहे? स्पीड दिलेला आहे 12 किलोमीटर. सो इन अपस्ट्रीम वी add the speed of water downstream. What is the speed of water in downstream? Speed of water equals speed of water, speed in sea water 12 million. Okay, so it becomes 12 plus x kilometer per hour. And speed of water upstream. What is the speed of water upstream? 12 minus x kilometer per hour. Okay, understand this? The speed of water we have given x, and we have given speed of boat. Boat we have given. What is the speed of water? 12 kilometer per hour. So speed of water downstream is 12 plus x, and speed of water upstream is 12 minus x. Okay. Therefore, from given condition, what is the given condition? See here. We had given that he requires how many hours? 8 hours to travel 36 kilometers. So, we know the formula. In science, speed is equal to distance upon time. From this, we calculate time is equal to distance upon speed. Okay. So, what is the distance travel? 36, and speed is different for downstream and upstream. So, according to given condition, what is the condition given? See, Pratik requires 36. How many distance? 36 distance in 8 hours. 36 distance in 8 hours. So, what is the distance upstream? 36 upon what is the distance? Speed, distance upon time. We required 8 hours. Time is given. Okay. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance in upstream and distance in downstream. Upstream distance is 36 and downstream distance is also 36. And speed is 12 minus x here, and here speed is 12 plus x. Okay, understand this step? According to given condition, what is the condition given? Pratik required 8 hours to travel distance of 36 kilometers. Okay, upstream and downstream. Return. Okay, so here upstream plus downstream is equal to total time. So time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. Distance upon speed. It is upstream. It is downstream. Now here you calculate this 12 minus x into 12 plus x. Cross multiply. Or you calculate here. You take 36 common. 1 upon 1. Okay. So what becomes answer? Here 1 upon 12 minus x plus 1 upon 12 plus x is equal to 8. Here multiply become divided. Now here further simplify. 4 to the 8, 4 times r. So 1 upon 12 minus x plus 1 upon 12 plus x is equal to 2 upon 9. Now here simplify it. Take LCM. 12 plus x into 12 minus x. Here 2 upon 9 and this cross multiply. 12 plus x plus 12 minus x. Plus x minus x cancel. 12 plus 12, 24 upon. Add the denominator c. A plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square is equal to 2 upon 9. So here answer is 24 upon 144 minus x square is equal to 2 upon 9. Now we cross multiply. 2 into or 24 into 9 is equal to 2 into 144 minus x square. 144 minus x square is equal to 24 into 9. Here multiply becomes divided. So 12 nines are 108 is equal to 144 minus x square. Okay. Now take x square here. X square is equal to 144 minus 108. Therefore, x square is equal to 6. 4 minus 1, 3. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 6. Take x square on both sides. Okay. Value of x is plus or minus 6. So speed is never negative. X x is speed of water current. Therefore, x not equal to minus 6. Therefore, take x is equal to 6. That is, therefore, what is the x? Speed of water current is equal to 6 km per hour. This is last answer. Speed of water current is equal to 6 km per hour. See question number 10. Here we had given one trapezium A, B, C, D. We had given AB is parallel to CD. We had given some measures. AB is x, BC is 2x plus 1, AM is x minus 4, and BC is x minus 2. And we have to find the values. That is, we have to fill the empty boxes to get the solution. We have to complete this activity. So let's start. Quadrilateral ABCD is trapezium given. Therefore, AB is parallel to BC or CD. We know the formula for area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides into height. Area of trapezium is equal to half into sum of parallel sides into height. So half into sum of parallel sides. Which are parallel sides here? AB and BC. AB and BC or C. Into height. Which one is the height here? Perpendicular distance is the height. So here AM is the height. So here answer is AM. Okay. So area is given in the question 33 is equal to half. AB distance is x. CD is 2x plus 1 into AM. AM is given x minus 4. So calculate 2. Here it becomes multiply 33 into 2. 66 is equal to x plus, here 2x plus x becomes 3x plus 2 into multiply both sides by 2. Here 2x plus 1, sorry. Here 2x plus 1 is there. Into x minus 4. So here come simplify 3x into x, 3x square. Okay. Then 3x into 4. 3 4s are minus 12x. And here 1 into x, 1x. Means minus 12x into 1x. Minus 11x. Minus 11x. Here becomes minus 11x. And here minus 4 and 66 becomes minus 66. Means here minus 70. See here 73 minus 73 is equal to minus 210. We have to make the factor of minus 210. So that the subtraction becomes 11. Means 21 tens are. See here minus and plus. So what is the next step here? Here one step is cancelled. You write next step here 3x square. Okay. Then minus 21x, minus 10x and minus 70 here. One step is cancelled. Okay. Then common is, see here common is 3x. So remains x minus 3 sevens. Here common is 10. Minus 10 is common. Okay. Here plus 10 is there. 10 is common. X minus 7. So 3x minus 10 and x AB here. AB becomes 7 units. CD value of x is 7. 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15 units. AD and BC are same. X minus 2 means 7 minus 2, 5 units. These are the required values. Our answer is in centimeter. So it is 7 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So students, we had completed quadratic equation topic. Last point, application of quadratic equation. In that we had seen how to apply quadratic equation on the word problem. First we convert the word problem into symbolical form and then we simplify this and then convert it into again verbal form. So we completed exercise 2.6 and also this topic second completed. So your today's homework is solve exercise 2.6 in your notebook.